Have you ever lost your favorite photos just because your phone crashed or got stolen? What if I told you there's a super simple way to back them all up, without even touching your phone? In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how you can save every memory straight from your Android, using just the Google Photos website. Stick around, because this could be the one trick that will save your memories forever. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification. Comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open the Chrome browser on your Android device. And in the search bar, type photos.google.com. And click on the first link to access the website. Once on the website, tap on this plus button. Then, select the Import Photos option. Click on the Media Picker option, which will direct you to your gallery. Now click on any photo you want to upload. Or long press on one photo, then select multiple photos to upload. And if you want to access your photo album in your gallery, to upload the photos in it, just click on this menu icon. Then scroll down until you get to the gallery application and click on it. Now click on the album you want and select the photos in it to upload. By doing this, all the photos you have uploaded will be saved on the website. And you can access it anytime you want, from any device. All you need is to log in with the Google account used for the backup process. This all about the process involves in backing up your photos on Android by using the Google Photos website. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.